Hi friends, today we're checking out the Pixel MK1 Lavalier microphone. Let's unbox this thing, shall we? So this has a 19-foot cord on it, and has some. I kind of needed one with a longer cord because I use my computer a lot, and with this I have a microphone in my helmet here. Okay, so that's it for the box. We have some instructions and this cool little bag here. Let's open up the bag, shall we? It looks like one of those bags, you know, in the movies where they're getting some diamonds or whatever, you know, they rob the bank and then they pour the diamonds out. Looks like one of those little bags. Anyways, wow, that is a long cord there. So that is that. It looks like we have a 3.5 millimeter connector there. Probably use this on my computer. Nice long cord. The cord I have now on mine is rather short, maybe about 4 feet long. So if I try to move around, I can't move very far because I'm tethered in. So this will be nice. Okay, we have a little fuzzy one, and this is going to reduce your wow, that's really soft. It's like a little rabbit foot there. It's kind of cute. Put some little googly eyes on that. Be a little. Anyways, where are we? All right, so sound and wind. I believe this is a wind reducer, right? And what else is in the bag here? Okay. So we have a larger audio jack, you can an adapter, and then the USB to micro USB plug in there. Now, does this have internal batteries or not? So off for smartphone. So you plug your smartphone into that, I'm guessing. Anyways, let's check out how long this cord is here. I will be doing a review video and showing you guys how to use this. So just the lavalier, the microphone to the other device here. You attach your, I believe your phone to is, that one's almost probably about 5 feet. And then you have this cord here, which is super long. You could be conducting an interview across the room, and this is, yeah, there's 5 feet, 10, 15. Now they're not joking, just like 19 feet there. So super long cord, that's cool. So you can set up your DSLR or whatever you want, and have it a little ways away and conduct an interview or whatever you want to do. So that's kind of neat, and have some good audio going on there. So that's it for the unboxing, my friends. You can grab this Pixel MK1 off of Amazon. It's about $17. I'll leave a link in the description below. And we will be doing, or I will be doing a review / demonstration video shortly. So stay tuned for that. As always, my friends, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.